We have been given just a life, bro. Only one chance. Please never ever give up until you can make yourself happy. Until you can make a greatest family on the earth where everyone will be happy, especially your parents. You must make them happy because your parents will be greatest person when you will be successful. So if you really want to be a greatest person, just try. Just attempt now because there is only one way, there is only one life to make yourself happy, to achieve your goals. So never wait for the right time. Start now so that you can see your dream very soon.